there has been a controversy created, I think, because of my, there was too much of controversy, that's why I normally would not have addressed a press conference. Too much of controversy has been created about my one statement of fighting in all 5 seats in Warpoe, Puriye, Pari, which is cycling constituency, Mayan, Bicholim. I just want to clarify. My speech is on record. My speech has been recorded there and it is on record. I have never said that I want 5 tickets from the Congress party. And it is stupidity for being misrepresented. I don't know why I have been misrepresented, because I am representing Warpoe constituency. Pratap Singh Rane is representing Puriye constituency. And when I went for my friend Praveen Zatia's meeting, in that meeting, which was attended by more than 600-700 people, in that meeting I was surprised to see the attendance in the meeting. And in that meeting, one of the PCC members stood up and said that our candidate Praveen Zatia's name has not been recommended by the booth block committees. So I told that guy, please stop, you come and sit down. We do not want to discuss this issue. This issue is related to the block. I have not come here to discuss block issues. During my speech, I made it very clear amply that I have total faith in my leader Srimati Sonia Gandhi and my party General Secretary Mr. Digvijay Singh. And even if the block has not recommended the name, it is the duty of everybody to go into the field and work. Automatically the Congress High Command will pay heed to the people on the grassroots and find out whose capacity of winning. Just because the block is recommending names, that doesn't mean that man will become candidate. Many people in the block today, block presidents, have become ambitious that they want to become candidates. Now everybody should be ambitious. I am also ambitious. But I am a sitting MLA of my constituency. In my constituency, yet names are to be sent. We have not yet sent the names. But in Puriye constituency, I am told 2 names have been sent. One is Pratap Singh Rane and one is my name. Now in Warpoe constituency, probably 2 names also will go. One will be my name and the second name let the block decide who they feel fit. I have left it freely open to the block to decide whether they want to send one of them or they want to send anybody else. It is up to the block to decide. Now when I say that I will work in 5 constituencies, that means I have worked in those 5 constituencies in the past, right from the days of Gurudas Gaus, right from the days of Naresh Sawant, right from the days of Praveen Zatia. I have worked in all those constituencies. We have done a lot of development work. And I want to draw the attention of the media. If you look at all the development work that is done in Bicholim and Sattari Taluka was done under the leadership of Pratap Singh Raoji Rane and Digambar Kamath as Chief Minister and me as Health Minister. You take Ravindra Bhavan, you take the Sanklim Hospital, you take the Bicholim Hospital, Bicholim Bridge, Ambeshi Ganje Pool, त्याचे उपरांत तुम्ही मार्केट कॉम्प्लेक्स, स्विमिंग पूलचा प्रकल्प आणि त्याचे उपरांत साखळी म्युनिसिपल बिल्डिंग, ॲडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव्ह ब्लॉक, बस स्टँड, हॉल, होंडाचं बस स्टँड, गुळेलीची शाळा, बिरोंडाची शाळा, होंडाची शाळा, 200 कोटीचे रस्ते केले या सगळ्या मतदारसंघात. आणि एक लक्षात तुम्ही घेऊन जाय की जो विकास झालो तो विकास प्रताप सिंग राणे आणि दिगंबर कामत मुख्यमंत्री असताना त्यांनाच काळात सत्तरी आणि बिचोलीचो विकास झालो असा. आयजचो साखळीचे आमदारच्या माध्यमांतल्यान विकास कसलोच जावंक ना. GICDचो चेअरमन असूनही एक प्रकल्प 10 लाखाचे त्यांनी ते हाडूंक पावलो ना. Whatever development you see, Goa Institute of Management, everything is the brainchild of Pratap Singh Rane. And what I am trying to say is that if we have got a reach, we have got goodwill in these 5 constituencies, then we must work. I am not concerned who the party gives tickets, and it's immaturity on the part of these 3 block members. Now I am told Mr. Chanekar, Bicholim block president, is going to resign today because he felt he was misguided into being brought there. Some man called Mr. Sunil Kautankar actually instigated all these people to make a statement on me. I have no problem with Mr. Sunil Kautankar. I only have a problem in this particular way is that one should not just act in haste. One should actually understand what is going on. And I want to go on record is that I am not here to ask for demand tickets from the Congress party. I am here to work to strengthen the Congress party. Yes, even if my party does not like it, I have made a statement that my support will be to Naresh Sawant. Who knows tomorrow how the political dynamics and combinations go. Naresh is a very probable and competent candidate. He is a good human being. He is a good friend of mine. But that does not mean that a party has got certain ways of thinking and doing things. And once again, I would like to put on record, I am not in a defiance mode against the Congress party. I am here to see that BJP is ousted out of power. Tomorrow, what politics and what drives me to what decision, that is only future can tell. At the moment, my frame of mind is to work for the Congress party to drive the BJP out of power from these 5 seats. Unnecessarily today in the newspaper, I see my name in a very negative sense. I also saw some colleagues of mine making some statements. I don't want to react to those statements. I would like to ignore the statements made by Mr. Madkekar and Mr. Babu Kawalekar because it doesn't matter to me. Somebody has said that ask for all 40 seats. I don't need anybody to advise me. I am quite mature enough to take a decision. But I would like to once again put on record is that I am not in a defiance mode of the party. I am a loyal soldier of the Congress party and I will fall in line with what the Congress decision takes. But definitely my views will be heard at a highest level. If I feel that somebody deserves a ticket in a particular constituency, I will see that I go and make my point of view with proper justification. I will not just say that just because I want that ticket or I want to support somebody. That giving tickets is not Vishwajit Rane's role. Giving tickets is the role of the Congress Parliamentary Board which sits in Delhi. Srimati Sonia Gandhi heads their parliamentary board. Digvijay Singh is our leader. Let them all decide, but ultimately success, I told them in the meeting, the success, move in the constituency. Create that euphoria that I have created it in Sattari. Today you come to Sattari, I am a sitting MLA, but I spend more than 10 hours in the day in my constituency, reaching out to the small and common man and understanding the issues and trying to resolve them at my level because this government of BJP has failed in the state of Goa. BJP has failed on all fronts and BJP is enriching his MLAs is my allegations against the BJP. But today's, I felt very, disturbed because, if I was in a defiance mode, then I can understand that I was in a defiance mode. I am not in a defiance mode against my leadership. And neither I have anything against Luisin Ferreiro or any party member. If these 3 blocks have gone and written letters against me, God bless them. It's up to them what they write and what they say. Because those blocks, the blocks are the bodies where some of the block members, block presidents are interested in tickets. So it's exciting them. Now you go to Pali constituency, you got 3 candidates. You got Sunita Verekar, you got Dharmesh Saglani and you got Pratap Gaus. Now it's ultimately to the party to take a call. Now many times what has happened in the blocks is, the blocks are controlled by a certain few. The actual candidate whose name should be recommended along with the other names is not getting recommended. So this is something which I brought to the notice of my High Command and let them address it the way they want. It is not my role to do it. And परत सांगता की I am not in a defiance mode against the Congress party. I have been misrepresented. I have not asked for any tickets. I am happy with Walpoi and Pariya. My work is actually going on in Walpoi Pariya. I happened to go to Praveen's meeting. Yes, I want a guy like Praveen to become an MLA of my constituency because last 10 years he is struggling. Last time it was my mistake. I apologize for the people of Mahe. It's because of this intervention of few people, including Mr. Madkekar. Rudresh Chodankar got a ticket who lost so badly. Such interference should not be tolerated in future. I feel that the party should carry out a thorough survey. आता कोणतरी म्हणता नाही कौटिल्याचो सर्वे आता 13 तारखेर मागे आनी कोणी म्हणटा प्रुडंटाचो बी सर्वे येवपाचो हा प्रुडंट बरोबर प्रुडंटाचो सर्वे येतलो त्याच्या भायर हायेन पक्षाक बी सांगला की तुम्ही बी सर्वे करा तुमका ब्लॅक अँड व्हाईटान कितें दिसता त्या आधाराचेर निर्णय घेवपाचो तुम्ही प्रयत्न करचो विश्वजीत राणे सांगता काय प्रताप सिंग राणे सांगता काय पांडुरंग मडकेकर सांगता हेजेर वचो नाका तुम्ही तुमच्या ब्लॅक अँड व्हाईट जो तुमका रिपोर्ट येता त्या आधाराचेर प्रत्येक मतदारसंघात कोण फुडें चल्ला आपाचो इम्पॅक्ट कितलो जातलो गोंया राज्यात आपाचो इम्पॅक्ट लोक आपाक टेकन फॉर ग्रांटेड आप घरोघरी भोंवता काय मतदारसंघात हेजेर आमी दुर्लक्ष करू नये बीजेपीचो आयजची परिस्थितीन सीट कितले जिखतले काँग्रेस कितले जिखतले आमकां बरें दिसपाक आमी ओन कमिशन आमी करून आमी स्वताक फसू शकता पूण हे जे सर्वे जेन्ना तुमी करता आनी प्रोफेशनल एजन्सी बॉम्बे 2-3 AC नेल्सन आसा आनी तरेतरेचे सर्वेचे कंपन्यो हांवें म्हाजी एकूच विनंती आहे पक्षाकडे की तुम्ही ह्या तरेचे सर्वे करून घेवन योग्य तो निर्णय घेवपाचो गरज आसा कित्याक आयज वातावरण बीजेपीचे विरुद्ध आहा कसिनोचेर पळया युटर्नचेर वयर युटर्न 50,000 नोकरी दिता म्हणून सांगलेल्या लोकांक तेजेर युटर्न वॅट फेव्युलाचेर देंवयता म्हणून सांगले तेजेर सरकारान युटर्न घेवन 22% पावयले प्रत्येक 50,000 नोकरी भुरग्यांक दिता म्हणून सांगले तेजे ऐवजी ह्युमन रिसोर्सीस डेव्हलपमेंट कॉर्पोरेशन करून कॉन्ट्रॅक्टाचेर भुरग्यांक दवरले हाऊसकीपिंग आनी झाडू मारपाक हेजे भायर सरकारान गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजचो अक्षरशः सत्यानाश केलो कारण मातसो बेजार जालो आरोग्य मंत्रीचेर कारण तुमकां सांगता बायलांचे प्लसेंटा जे असता न्ही यात्री निवासाचे फाटल्यान मुद्दम तुम्ही प्रेस भाव जो तुम्ही आयले हांगा मुद्दम वचून पळया महिलांचे प्लसेंटा हुंदराक खाता थंय फाटल्यान आनी उरला कितें ह्या तरेचे 108चे प्रोफेशनल स्टाफ तुमी सगळे आशिल्ले 108 जेन्ना चालू जाल्ली आमी प्रोफेशनल ट्रेन लोक लायल्ले 108 चालू करपाक. आयज 108 UP, बिहार, मध्य प्रदेशचे लोक लायला जे कोण ECG वाचू शकना, ड्रीप दिवं शकना. ह्या मनशाचें जीवन कशें वचयतले. आनी मंत्र्याक सांगता की ते मंत्र्याक पडलेलेच ना. आनी थंय प्रमोद सावंत साखळीचे हॉस्पिटल आपल्या ट्रस्ट तयार करता, ट्रस्टाच्या माध्यमांतल्यान हॉस्पिटल आपल्या नांवार घेता आनी गरीब लोकांक सांगले वयता की तुमी हांगा एडमिशन घेतले तुमकां जॉब गावतले, गव्हर्मेंटान तुमकां जॉब गावतले. ANMचे कोर्सी खातीर 60,000 रुपया चार्ज केले वयता. हेका तुमकां दिसना हे अन्याय म्हणून? म्हाका तरी दिसता की ह्या तरेच्या आमदारांक लोकांनी धांवडून घालूंक जाय. आनी तो म्हणटा गोवा इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ मॅनेजमेंटान कोणी दिल्ली ते डॉक्टर विल्फ्रेड डिसूजा जेन्ना चीफ मिनिस्टर आसलो तेन्ना तेणी दिल्ली. तेजो भाव तेन्ना डायरेक्टर आशिल्लो. ताका जाय ते आरोप करून दी. हे तुवें स्वता म्हाजो आरोप आहा तेजेर की तुवें NGO स्पेसिफिकली तयार केल्ले आसा साखळीचे हॉस्पिटल आपल्या ताब्यात दिवपाक. आनी हे योग्य न्हू. गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ द BJP इज एनरिचिंग इट्स MLAs and enriching themselves at the cost of the people of Goa and charging 60,000 rupees per student. And poor people come to me and ask me, बाबा आपल्या 20,000 दी, 25,000 दी. आपल्याक त्यांनी सांगला की आपल्याक फुडें जॉब गावतलो म्हणून. खंय ना खंय दुखता. शेखर साळकराचे तर कितलेय कोट्यांनी लाखांनी रुपयाचे ऑपरेशन आम्ही करून घेतल्या. गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजान कुसयल्ले आसा अक्षरशः केसीस. वेट लॅब ना गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजान, वेट लॅब बंद उडयलो. रॅनबॅक्सी थंय धंदो चलयता. 800 1200 रुपया, 2,000 रुपया गरीब कडल्यान पयशे घेतले वयता ब्लड टेस्ट करपाक. हेका अन्याय म्हणना तर कित्याक अन्याय म्हणटा. आनी हांव हांगा मूड आहा BJPचे अगेन्स्ट वावुरपाक, काँग्रेसचे अगेन्स्ट वावरपाक न्हू, आनी काँग्रेसचे डिसिप्लीन तोडपाक न्हू. आय एम अ लॉयल सोल्जर ऑफ द काँग्रेस पार्टी and I'll continue to do so. Unless tomorrow Congress doesn't want me in the Congress party, till that time I will be fighting for the Congress party against the BJP to work towards eliminating BJP in those 5 constituencies based on the responsibility given to me by the Congress party.
Rashid, but why your outbursts are coming? All these 4 years you never to be.
See, I let me put it like this. I have been working very quietly in Sanklin. I have been going to the people. Sanklin is my hometown. 70च्या परिसरात तुम्ही पळयल्यार if my outbursts were not coming, then I would have not won all my seats in the Zilla Parishad election. I am going to the village. I am taking issues directly to the doorstep of the people. Today I want to also draw your attention. LED बल्ब दिता म्हणून सांगल्या लोकांक. आनी 29 जुलयाक नोटिफिकेशन काडटा इलेक्ट्रिसिटी आनी पाण्याची इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिलां वाडोवपाक. 29 July you remove notification. You tell me, as a brother from the media, don't you feel that your electricity bills and water bills are going up? It's not only you, I am feeling the pinch. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी आणि वॉटर बिल्स आणि लोकांक गरिबांक सांगता तुम्ही LED बिल बल्ब दिल्यार तुमचे बिलां देंवतली. आनी 29 जुलयाक नोटिफिकेशन काडटा सरकार की इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कंज्युमर रेट वाडयला म्हणून सगळ्या दृश्टीन. Outburst is not towards the end of the term. I am going to the people. I don't need publicity. This is my first press conference because I felt embarrassed and humiliated today because I felt that my name is being dragged into a controversy when I am actually not a part of any kind of controversy. Somebody also asked me, प्रताप सिंग राणेचो चेहरो मुख्यमंत्री खातीर तुम्ही घालूंक जाय फुडें. हांवें सांगलें 70च्या जनतेक सदां दिसतलें की प्रताप सिंग राणेचो चेहरो आसूंक जाय. ती भावना 70च्या जनतेची. फाल्यां कितें जाता राजकारणान हांव सांगूंक शकना. फाल्यां पक्ष कितें थरयता तें हांव सांगूंक शकना.
Your father should be the next chief minister.
I am not here to project Pratap Singh Rane. He doesn't need his son to project him as chief minister. He has always become chief minister on merit.
So you are refuting all those claims?
I am not refuting. I said, give you the context in which I said what I said. I said because somebody started talking on the stage about the block committee. I said, wait, I will speak in my speech. And I also want to say that there were people present in the media. I said, Pratap Singh Rane to become chief minister or should become the face, it's all our dream that he should be our face. But ultimately the decision of the party high command. And I also made it very categorically clear yesterday during my speech that I have full faith in Mrs. Gandhi's leadership and I have full faith in her because I have a different equation.
No, but you said that your decision will be binding on the GPCC.
I never said my decision is binding. That's been misquoted.
You said I'm not in defiance mode against Congress. What makes you say that?
No, because the papers are saying that I'm in a defiance mode. I'm not in a defiance mode. And I also just now said I never spoke of Sanklin. How can I speak of Walpa and Puriya constituency when we are sitting MLAs? It's stupidity on my part to even say I want 5 seats. I don't want any seats. I want to work to oust the BJP from power.
Mr. Rani, you said that Mr. Sunil Kaudankar instigated this. So
I was told by the block president from Bichulim that he instigated and he was others were told, but I don't want to get into it because it doesn't matter. I'm not here today in this press conference to create a controversy. I'm here in this press conference to clarify my stand and why I have been misquoted. Because ultimately I have to be also a responsible member of the Congress party. My father is the leader of opposition. I cannot be making any vague statements and getting away with it.
So basically, if tomorrow Praveen Zati or Naresh Sawa is not given ticket by Congress, then still it will be
I am a
supporting
loyal
Congress candidate in my
I have
future
suggested to Praveen,
Yeah.
keep working. A person who works continuously is always rewarded. I have being an MLA, I have been working day and night. But one thing, remember, I am not here to defy the leadership of the Congress party.
But there it is said that you are going to contest on the Sattari Yuva Morcha.
Kshatriya Morcha is a feeling. It's my feeling. It's not a party.
So
today.
nothing.
No, but it can express anytime.
No, looking at the Congress situation right now, do you think that is an alternate option?
No, but why should I think so negatively when this is? I have been born and brought up in
But there
this
are strong
environment.
rumors going around that you will be contesting, and then
Sattari Yuva Morcha.
Kshatriya Morcha is my feeling. भावना जी असतं मनशाची ती क्षत्रिय मोर्चा असते.
ती बाहेर यायची ना केन्ना.
At present, at the moment, what do you feel about your party? Where it is heading towards?
See, it's not only about the. You must remember one thing. It's not only about the party. At the peak of Parikar's career, last time, which election? 2000, I think, no? 2000. We also, that's the time when he was new. He reached a figure of some 17 or 16. We were at what? 14. We were just 2-3 seats behind. Today, with the BJP letting down people on all fronts, including casino and everything, people and electricity, water bills, people can't pay. People are borrowing for the first time to pay these bills. There's a hatred developed towards the BJP. I see, as of now, you want a practical view, I feel there's going to be a. Feel definitely Congress, if cards well played, can really take on BJP.
But the AAP can cut into your votes. Do you
We
think?
don't know how much AAP can cut into our votes because nobody is assessed. Let these reports come out. We are also carrying
Mr.
on.
Rai-
The party president at that day said after that meeting with the booth level and all, said that he is not taking you seriously because you make a continuous statement on the Gadbandhan.
I would
How do
like
you-
to one more time clarify. Good, you asked me this question. I was a little upset with Vijay Sardesai because we all went in the real earnest to form a combination. And let's be put it like this: is that my ego cannot come in front of this Mahagathbandhan or this Grand Alliance. So anybody can. A lot of people are mocking this word called. So let's call it a unity of opposition forces. Let's not use the words of Mahagathbandhan and the Maha Alliance and all. Let's call it unity of opposition forces. And then I talked to Vijay and I said, Vijay, I said, you say something, I say something. Let's all unite. Let the forces unite. We sat with the opposition leader and we have all united. If you look at the opposition performance today in this assembly, I think we have cornered the government on all fronts. Credit goes to both. Goes to Pratap Singh Rane, goes to Congress senior MLAs, goes to Vijay Sardesai for, playing a unity role. I mean, all the opposition MLAs, including Vijay, Pratap Singh Rane, myself, all of us in our own way, Madkaikar, Reginald, all of us in our own way, Babush Monsarat, all of us in our own way have cornered the government to such an extent that the government stands exposed. The government had to use the office of the speaker to divert various things on issues, and most importantly, answers stand awaited. They are unable to give answers, and I feel that the opposition did well this time. So it's not about if Mr. Ferreira wants to take me seriously or doesn't want to take me seriously. That's his prerogative up to what he feels. And I didn't take his statement also very seriously of what he said about me, because ultimately in a party there are many people can make statements and you cannot go on countering every statement. He said it cannot take me seriously, specifically was on the point of that I had said that I would not be a part of any alliance. That I said it in anger because he said that there was a sellout to the BJP. So we have sorted out all our differences. And I feel that you need to sort out all your differences when you are going for war against the BJP.
साहेब तुमचं अनेक विधान आहे की पार्टीने 2012च्या निवडणुकीमध्ये काँग्रेसने भरपूर चुका केल्या
हो.
होत्या. नक्की काय चुका तुमच्या मताप्रमाणे?
माझ्या मताप्रमाणे ते सगळ्यात मोठी चूक होती फॅमिली राज. आणि फॅमिलीला पुढं न्यायचं हे बरोबर नाही, पण कधी कधी कुठं नाइलाज असला. आता मी आणि माझे वडील, मी इंडिपेंडंट होतो, मी काँग्रेस पक्षात प्रवेश केला आणि सोनिया गांधीने मला शब्द दिला होता तिकीट देणार म्हणून. आता काहीकडे अति झालं आणि बिकॉज ऑफ दिस फॅमिली राज अँड वेरियस इश्यूज ऑफ परसेप्शन इन द माइंड ऑफ द पीपल अबाउट करप्शन विच हायली करप्टेड BJP government today is now exposed itself. That is the reason which people believe that we were a highly corrupted party. People forgot all the development we did. People forgot all the good work we did. People forgot 108. People forgot the health services. People forgot every aspect that Congress party did, as a result of which we were targeted only on the issue of corruption, which sunk us totally. And as a result of it, building up a positive perception and not making mistakes of 2012 is the need of the hour. Thank you so much.